Welcome back, guys. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to share with us how I prepare my homemade strawberry jam. So to begin, we are going to need strawberries, fresh strawberries, and then it's very important that anytime that you get your fruits from the groceries, you make sure they are well cleansed. So at this point, I'm going to make sure I take all the green leaves out, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to wash or cleanse with salt water. So I have a couple of videos on this channel showing us how to cleanse our fruits, so you can check any of my juicing videos for that. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to leave this for about 2 minutes and come back to wash again. Then the next I'm going to do is, because I don't want my strawberries to be salty, I'm going to wash again with fresh water. After that, I'm going to cut my strawberries into smaller sizes or chunks. Okay, so if you want a smooth strawberry jam, all you need to do is to blend them. Okay, but I am not blending because I need to feel the chunks in them. I really love my strawberry or my fruit jams this way. So at this point, I'm going to add sugar to this, and you can as well avoid sugar. You can do this without sugar. This is for presentation purpose, okay, because a lot of people do this with sugar. So you want to know that sugar is also included here, but you can take it out if you don't want it to add any sugar. So the next ingredient is lemon juice, which is very important in this recipe. Then you want to make sure that after everything, you set it aside for some minutes. So I'm going to make sure that my ingredients are well mixed. Okay, they are well known with each other, because I will leave this for the sugar to dissolve. All right, so then after 1 hour or 45 to 1 hour, I'm going to make it ready for fire. So at this point, this is how it looks after 1 hour. All right, I have enough liquid on my strawberries, so it's ready to get it on fire. All right. So at this point, I'm going for a little bit higher heat, but I'm going to make sure that I don't burn my jam. Okay, so at a point, I'm going to lower my heat, but at this point, what I'm going to do is to take off the foam out of my jam, which is also a very important part of this recipe. So I'm going to add butter to it. It's optional. You can decide to go for it. You can decide to avoid it. So since I still have some foams on on my strawberry, I have to take it out. All right, so yeah, so you want to make sure that if you're making this at home, you just use a medium or a lower heat for this to avoid burning, or getting it burnt. Okay, so I kept on check and check and check and check and check, okay, until you get your desired consistency. All right, so definitely you don't want to get a watery strawberry jam, so you would want to give it a little bit of time and leave it. So now it's ready. All right, but note that when you take it, when it's ready, you just leave it to rest and cool down totally. All right, so I am going to try this with bread, and wow. You want to make this at home, you want to try it on your own. So thank you for joining me today. If you're not part of my YouTube fam, you want to click on that subscribe button, you want to join my YouTube family. So to my returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you. I love you guys. Thank you for everything. So until I come your way again next time, see you on my next video. Here is Rima Healthy Way. It's